Beginner's Guide: How to Buy Virtual Land in the Metaverse. Buying virtual property seemed a little odd a few years ago, but the story has changed somewhat since then. In virtual worlds like Decentraland or Mana, you can now own plots of land, and investors are pouring money into them as the Metaverse is becoming a thing. Keep watching and you'll learn more about the Metaverse and how to invest in virtual properties so you can jump on any upcoming land grabs. Welcome to Skillset, your one-stop shop for all things finance, business, marketing and money topics. Of course, the crypto, NFTs and Metaverse, and all blockchain-related topics are not left out. We are a group passionate about seeing you educated about those topics, but we promise to keep entertaining you. So kindly like and share this video if you find it helpful. Also, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this. How does the Metaverse work? The Metaverse is an alternate digital reality that incorporates virtual, augmented and extended reality, where people can work, play and live virtually. Although the phrase Metaverse and its idea have been around for more than 3 decades, it wasn't until recently when Facebook revealed its aspirations to become a Metaverse corporation that the concept started to stick. Because of this, more and more investors are looking into investment opportunities in this rapidly expanding new industry. One of these opportunities is to buy virtual land in well-known virtual worlds. So let's dive deep and learn more about virtual land and why it's become the new craze among investors. Why are investors suddenly buying virtual land? It's no news that real estate is one of the world's most well-liked asset classes today. Not just because of its relative permanence, but also because it's one of the world's smartest and safest investment choices. And this has been for centuries. Moreover, thanks to technology, you can now buy real estate in the digital world. The land that exists only in virtual worlds is known as virtual land. It is also sold as plots and can be bought using the currency of the particular land, just like real land. Today, you can acquire virtual property in several different virtual worlds. Probably the most popular of all is Decentraland. Virtual land prices have reached hundreds of thousands of dollars in the developing Metaverse. In June of this year, a plot of land in Decentraland sold for more than $900,000. And that's only one example. The ROI, return of investment on virtual land for cryptocurrency-savvy speculators, appears promising in the light of the growing interest in the Metaverse. Second, investors can use their virtual property to generate income. For example, if you own virtual property, you can host exclusive events or parties and charge people to attend. For instance, the American artist Snoop Dogg held a private event using the Sandbox NFT platform to recreate his actual mansion. The event required attendees to have an NFT, which served as a pass and allowed them entry. Thirdly, investors might regularly make money off their virtual properties. For instance, on your virtual land, you could spend NFTs to construct a virtual home that you could rent out for a monthly income. Alternatively, you can create an NFT art gallery and rent out the space to budding crypto artists so they can exhibit their work in the Metaverse. Beginner's Guide on how to acquire virtual land. Let's use the popular Decentraland as our case study in this guide. As we said, users can buy land, play games, host events, and engage in other social interactions on the blockchain-based virtual reality platform Decentraland. Using OpenSea, an NFT marketplace, or Decentraland's own marketplace, anyone can purchase, rent, or sell land on the platform. The Mana and Land tokens, the largest virtual world in the NFT realm, are unique to this platform. The size of each land parcel on Decentraland is 16 meters by 16 meters, represented by an NFT. Also, Decentraland has a cap of 90,000 land parcels, contributing to the feeling of scarcity. Now let's go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy land in Decentraland via its marketplace. Download and set up your crypto wallet. Getting a cryptocurrency wallet is the first step. You cannot use fiat money to buy virtual land, so you must get a wallet to buy and keep your crypto. Your wallet of choice should ideally work with your browser. You have many choices. You could use Trust Wallet and MetaMask. If you would rather, you can use the Binance Chain Wallet. Importantly, you should confirm that the wallet accepts the cryptocurrency you plan to use. Choose a suitable platform. You can buy virtual property on several Metaverse platforms. Decentraland and Sandbox are the two most well-liked choices. However, OpenSea is an excellent alternative if you wish to buy from a third party. OpenSea is an excellent option for first-time purchasers because it allows you to choose between several options without switching platforms. In addition, you could evaluate the value, compare costs and so on based on the virtual community the property is in. Alternatively, it is better to choose Sandbox or Decentraland if you want in-depth knowledge about the virtual land you're buying and its location. This will also help you learn more about your neighbors. Although the procedures are generally the same on all platforms, we'll use Decentraland for this guide. Choose a piece of land. Now, look through the available land and choose the parcel you want. After choosing your virtual parcel of land, click on it to read more about it. The land's mana price, availability and owner's name are all displayed here. To complete the transaction, tap Buy. Next is to link your wallet to the Decentraland marketplace. To make the purchase, you must ensure that your wallet is linked to your account, because after the purchase is successful and finished, the land will be sent to your wallet as an NFT. To make the purchase, you must have enough mana or Ethereum, ETH, in your selected wallet. Additionally, you'll need some extra tokens to cover the cost of the gas fee. Verify your virtual land. You will find your land on your wallet when the transaction is complete. For instance, if you're using Trust Wallet, you can verify this under the tabs labeled Collectibles. If you're using the MetaMask wallet, you'll see it in the NFTs tab. How to earn from your virtual property in the Metaverse. As you can see, purchasing land in the Metaverse is a straightforward process on paper. However, the fight is far from over. After that, you must learn how to profit from it. Let's discuss a few common options. Resale. This is the simplest way to buy Metaverse land and make money. There is a catch though. According to current trends, the price of land will increase, but there is no assurance that this increase will be as substantial as needed for large profits, 500% and above. For example, consider buying a plot of Metaverse land for $10,000 now and selling it for $12,000 a year from now. You will need a lot of money because you will need to buy numerous land plots to make a significant profit. So, if you want to make big money, you will need to spend so much buying plenty of land. Or you'll need to sell the land after developing it with infrastructure so that it's not just an empty plot. Rent. Similar to renting traditional land, you can also rent your virtual land. You won't get much in exchange if the virtual plot of property is vacant anyway. You do, however, have the choice of renting out many plots. The costs of plots with unique features, parks and offices, is usually higher. But you should know that the system doesn't allow you just to rent your property in the Metaverse. It can only be transferred to another user. You have to use authorized leasing platforms to rent house. DCLR Renting and Decentraland Property Group are a few examples of these platforms. You must register, connect your digital wallet, and synchronize your Decentraland account to these platforms. Construction. This is one of the most worthwhile and lucrative possibilities. You could build a business, a nightclub, or a casino on your property and rent it out or sell it for much more money. However, selling the items as NFTs is considerably better than renting. In addition, you can digitally recreate entire buildings to create imaginative settings such as dream gardens and castles. However, this calls for expertise in 3D modeling and rendering. Marketplace. On your Metaverse land, you can set up a store with displays that shows off digital replicas of the products you sell in the real world. For instance, you can sell your works in NFT format, including paintings, music, books, and video games. It is an excellent chance to draw customers in. Services. You can open a private adult club or brokerage on your property. In a technical sense, you could attach any capability to your property. You only need a qualified specialist to complete the task. You could also construct a posh office to hold paid psychological sessions or astrophysics lectures. Advertising. This is another very promising sector in the Metaverse. Just like any other business activity, advertising can bring in money. Users will always be drawn to your land plot, for instance, if it has a well-known art museum or an intriguing quest. To monetize the objects, you can then freely place direct and native advertisements on them. But of course, the cost of the adverts increases with the popularity of your land plot. You can sell ads directly and through the platform via specialist businesses like Metaverse architects. Events. Increasing income from existing businesses rather than starting from scratch is the goal. Some well-known companies like PwC, Sotheby's, JP Morgan and HSBC are already taking advantage of this to run ads on their properties. The same events can be held considerably more easily, affordably, and with a larger global user base than in the real world. As a result, the events boost sales and may include entertainment such as paid minigames. Should you invest in the Metaverse real estate? The market for virtual real estate has only ever known one direction, which is up. As a result, virtual real estate may grow to be a profitable asset class, especially for early investors. All thanks to Facebook's foray into the Metaverse and investors interested in Web 3.0 related topics. Nevertheless, you shouldn't invest more than you can afford to lose, just like any other investment you make. Be wary of NFT scams. In essence, Metaverse real estate is an NFT. It would be best if you kept your eyes peeled for scams because of the meteoric rise of these technologies. Always make your purchases from reliable, legitimate websites. It's probably a scam if it sounds too good to be true. Wrapping up. Finally, buying virtual land in the Metaverse is a wise financial decision. That's a fact. Otherwise, its price would not have been rising, and analysts wouldn't have predicted that it would continue to grow for many years. The distinctive feature of this trend is that anyone can own land in the virtual world, where everyone is treated equally. For your property in the Metaverse to reach its full potential, you don't have to be a well-known company like Gucci or a photographer like JR. Buying land in the Metaverse will improve your opportunities and boost sales if you run a profitable company. However, even if you haven't yet launched your own company, there are still plenty of ways to make money, such as renting or selling your plot, building useful or decorative items, hosting events like concerts and exhibitions, or playing MMORPGs. In addition, you could create a full-fledged market on your Metaverse property or provide online services. Lastly, you can make money by putting ads on your property. As a result, real estate in the Metaverse is becoming a popular investment. Investing in it already offers better returns than doing so in conventional land. You no longer have to put off making a final choice about buying virtual land in the Metaverse because you don't know how. You now know how to, thanks to our video. Go ahead and try. We hope you enjoyed this video. Got any questions or comments for us? Kindly use the comment section below. We can't wait to hear from you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button as we bring you more videos like this. Till next time, ciao.